Good morning. Hey, check it out. It's snowing pretty good. Yes, it is. It's a wet snow too. And it's starting to cover the roads. There's the mountain across the way. Oh yeah, what mountain? You can't see the top. Because the top of those trees you can barely see. The mountain actually goes up another quite a bit right through here. But you can't see it because it's so messed up with snow. Yeah, it's snowing. Yep. It's snowing. And I just thought I'd give you a quick update. This started sometime last night, probably around 2 or something. Place across the street is still getting it. And I forgot to bring the swing in. I got to go out there and get that so it don't get covered with snow, because I didn't want it to get snow on it. Parked my car in the upper garage last night so it wouldn't get damaged in case a tree fell on it. Our electric has fluctuated a little bit this morning and some yesterday. So far it hasn't went off. But this is what we're getting here in Sutton, West Virginia on October 30th, 2012. Anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and post this. Let you guys see it. It is kind of pretty. My little ghost is still hanging there in the wind. So, I hope everybody there's okay, because we ain't getting a whole lot here so far, just snow. Okay, love yous all. Bye bye.